Hey guys, welcome back to Phillips Hot Rod Garage. All this dust and metal shavings was just from one night pulling out those floor pans. Let's weld up this section of subrail tonight. This might actually work. Now what I've got to do is I got to get this piece put in, and I got to get it lined up this way, and 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 every which way. Because if I don't get this lined up correctly when I install this, and I don't get the measurement correctly from here to the back of the door opening, get everything just perfect, then this cowl post is not going to sit in the right place. If this cowl post does not sit in the correct location, then it's going to throw the alignment of the door off. And if the door doesn't fit the car correct, then you can't have a cool hot rod with a door that doesn't fit right. It just doesn't work. So it's going to take me longer to get this thing lined up than it is to get it welded in. So first thing I got to do is find some flat metal, get some vice grips, start clamping all this stuff together, see if we can't get it to fit. What vice grips am I going to need? All of them. You know the problem I'm having with this? It just doesn't fit. It's different. I'm gonna make it work, but the shape, the contour of this new piece of subrail that I got from another old cowl is just not exactly the same as the car, as the original subrails in the car. So I'm having a fight with it. I'm having to compromise a little bit. I just got to figure out what part I want to line up and then start working from there. I've got to trim a little bit more off right here. It's, I believe it's a little bit long still. What I'm doing is I'm just measuring the other side of the car and I'm just matching this side to it, making the measurements the same. And of course, before I weld this in, I'm gonna put the door back on the car and verify the fit before I weld it in. But yeah, I'm struggling with getting it to fit perfectly because it's just a little bit different. It's not exactly the same. It came off of another 28, 29 Model A, obviously, because that was the type cowl that it was. But I don't know if that cowl came off of a truck, a car, a 4-door, 2-door, whatever it came off of. And so it's just a little bit different. But I'm gonna get it. All right, guys, been working on this quite a while. I'm done with all the fitment. I got the door opening the same on both sides, 26 and 3/16 on both sides. Everything looks good. I had to borrow this tool from my day job. It's called a monkey on a stick. Works good. The two cowl posts were a little bit too far apart, so I used this tool to bring everything together. I went and measured another cowl from another car, and 36.5 was the distance across the two cowl posts. So I'm perfect now. I got it perfect. Now this brace, all the holes for the rivets line up perfect with this section of subrail and with the cowl post. Everything lines up perfect. So I am ready now to tack this in place so I can take the vice grips off the outside and take the monkey on a stick off so I can stick the door on and try to get this thing, you know, to make sure that the door fits okay. All right, guys, I think I got it ready to weld. Just using a straight edge here. Everything looks really good. Things clamped in place, ready to go. Just go ahead and get it tacked. We got the ground again. I am the world's best at doing that. Try that again. All right, guys, what we got to do now, we got to take all these clamps off, put the door on the car, and see how it fits. Hey, this thing shuts perfect. Body line's perfect. Couldn't get any better than that. Let me bring y'all in for a close-up shot. Okay, this is what we're working with. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out another night with me at Phillips Hot Rod Garage. I am very excited to have this subrail finally in place. Very excited to have this cowl area repaired and finished. So in the next video, we'll weld it all together and smooth off the subrail, get that completely finished. Then we got to find something else to do on the car. There's plenty to do. This is the first area that I've started on, but I still got the chassis I got to get built. I still got to get the fuel tank cut out under the bottom. I got to get the rear subrail sections put in. I got to get the quarter panel patches in, door patches in. There's tons of work to do. So just keep hanging out. Keep on coming back. I want to say I appreciate it to all of my new subscribers. I thank y'all so much for taking interest in my videos. And, you know, I've got a video on the 32 Ford coming. I've been working on it. It's coming up soon. I got some stuff on the 37 pickup that I'm going to be doing soon. I'm going to a car show next weekend. I'll probably shoot some footage of the car show and share it with you guys. Hey, I appreciate it. That wraps it up for another night. Y'all have a good one.